Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to go through the Birchbox for April. If you are not familiar with Birchbox, they've been around and then not been around and are back around again. Back years ago they were $10 a month and you got them in a cute box. Now they are $20 a month and they come in this not so cute box, but I got enough boxes. So Birchbox is going to be $20 a month. If you sign up for 3 months, it'll be $19 a month. And if you sign up for a 12-month annual subscription, you will get it for $17 a box. This is going to have 4 to 6 items. We'll have a mix of trial sizes, deluxe samples, and full size in here. There is free shipping and it is customizable. So this is my now third one. I actually canceled it because I felt like $20 a month for only samples was just not worth it. But now they've added it where you can also get full size in here as well. So I'm giving it a few more months to see how it goes. It is around the same price as Allure, which is miles ahead of this box in my opinion. So I'm giving them a chance to grow, but this may not stay in the roster forever. But we do have it for April. I'm going to get it open. So first look at the Birchbox inside. So this time we got a little card and there's a peek into what's inside. The card has a few products on it, so we'll find out if it has the same products that are in my box. It is customizable, so I was able to pick a few products. It also gives you the option of letting Birchbox pick some products for you, which I did. So some of these I picked, some of these they picked. Let's see what we got. And truthfully, I do not remember what I picked, so we'll find out. First thing is Earth Harbor Tidal Rose, and this is a seaweed hydration mist. This, just based on the size of it, is going to be a deluxe sample, but I could be wrong. It's not one of the products that we have information on here. This does very much look like just a deluxe sample, travel size sample. This is a hydrating mist, so I would say if you're out and about and your skin is feeling dry, this is a mist. We can check it out and see how misty it is. Get it going. There we go. It seems like a decent mist. It's not big water drops. It could be a little finer probably. Let me actually spray it on my hand. Yeah, that's a nice mist. It does actually smell really nice and fresh. It's not a strong fragrance by any means, but it's a very fresh feel and a fresh fragrance. So that's a nice one to take on road trips or just keeping with you if you're starting to feel dry during the day. You can amp up your moisture with that one. The next one is from Kosas, and this is a bake setting, a smoothing powder cloud set. So this is going to be, it looks like in this shade, which is Breezy. Ooh, it's nice frosty plastic container. I was thinking it didn't have much in it just based on the profile of it, but it actually it's got a good amount of product. I'm not sure if I'm going to like that it's raised up like that, because some powders will start to crumble, but because it's flat or below the edge of the package, it won't always fall out. But if this one starts to crumble, I don't think there's any way to keep it in. So unless you open it upside down and it falls into the lid, but you could do that. The next one is R&Co Color Shampoo and Conditioner. So this is going to be a single-use shampoo and conditioner. I like getting these, but I don't like getting these because it takes me a couple of washes to really get an idea of how a shampoo and conditioner is going to work. Sometimes you get the results right away. So I know R&Co is good. I've gotten their products before. These are probably really good. I don't think I've tried this particular shampoo and conditioner, but there is... I'm not sure there's 2 shampoos in here. I generally like to shampoo twice, but you can get one out of there and then one application of conditioner for sure. The next thing we have in here, we actually have 2. These are Busy Face Meet Fresh Clarifying Citrus Facial Wipe. So this is, I'm gonna guess these, because these are 2, actually I've got it in here. So this one is, these face wipes wipe, swipe, and glow. Use post-workout, at home and at work, or on the go Discover the simplicity of a gentle face cleanser and clarifying serum all in one. Little face wipes to freshen your face up. There is another product in here, and this is a deep cleansing oil from DHC, and there's quite a bit in here for a cleansing oil, or for there's quite a bit in there, period. I don't have information on it. And this one, it squirts out, so it's nice. You don't have to pour it out and get a ton all over everything. Get your little cotton wipe and pour it on there. Be perfect. So in this one we did get, and I'm going to count these as a single item since they're just two of the same thing. We got 5 products. I will say that on the site it says you can either pick 1 full size or 2 of something else. So if you get a full size item that can reduce the number of products you have in your box, maybe I didn't do that this time, and that's why I only have the sample size, because there are 5 things and 4 to 6 items is what you should be getting. So I think I did just get all deluxe samples, but for $20 this is what we got. Still trying to decide. I know the Allure box for this month is right in this price range, and it's got a lot more full-size products, and I feel like you get a lot more for your money. I will probably give this one just another couple months and see if they don't kick it up, because they are improving. That this is, I think, actually they're only the 3rd box of this current round of Birchbox, this new release, launch, whatever you want to call it. And it's been progressively getting better. So it could be that as they continue to grow and get more subscribers, they'll add more stuff to it. So we'll give it another couple months, give them a chance to get their feet wet and see what happens. But that is our Birchbox for April. Well, let me know what you think. Do you think, I've had some feedback on previous boxes that I posted on Birchbox, and I 100% agree. For the money, Ipsy, even just the Ipsy Glam Bag, has always going to guarantee you a full-size product, and it's a little bit cheaper, and you get the cute bag. So we're not on par with Ipsy and Allure yet for the price range. Hoping they get there, but if they don't, what do you think? Chuck it, keep it? We'll decide together. If you guys stop watching it, I'll know you don't like it. So we'll see. The whole purpose of doing these videos is to let you guys see what is in these boxes to help you decide if you want to get a subscription yourself or not. The videos that I've seen from other creators are what got me on a lot of the subscription boxes that I get, so that's why we do it. But I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, hit the like if you like it. Share the channel with your family and friends who you think might also appreciate the content. But for today, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.